If you're new here, welcome. And if you enjoy commentary that's straight to the point, without all the fluff, join our family. I'd love to have you. Well, look who's back in the spotlight. That's right. It's time for another update on Miss Robbie from Sweetie Pie's fame. Because when it comes to drama, determination, and a whole lot of chicken, she never disappoints. Let's dive into her ambitious $7 million plan to bring some life and apparently a second act to North St. Louis. Plus, the answer to the question we've all been asking. So here's what's up. Miss Robbie is cooking up more than just soul food. She's got a big vision for St. Louis's Martin Luther King Drive near Kingsway Highway, with plans for a new restaurant called Sweetie Pie's Second Act. Yes, the name writes itself, doesn't it? But that's not all. This $7 million project also includes an event space, residential buildings, and even more commercial projects. Because why stop at chicken when you can rebuild an entire block? Here's where things get spicy. Miss Robbie was awarded a $1.5 million grant as a part of a $37 million pot set aside by the city to help businesses in the north side. But plot twist, she hasn't gotten the check yet. Curious, right? According to Miss Robbie, people are suddenly acting crazy about the funds when no one seemed to care about the north side before. But she does, like she cared for Andre. Sounds like there's a story there. And if you're wondering what's holding her back, let's just say she's not letting a delayed check stop her. Miss Robbie has made it clear, whether it's grant money, PPP loans, or selling chicken on the corner, her words, she's making this happen. That's dedication, right? Or is it obsession and that old love of money the good book talks about? I'll let you all answer that one. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the courtroom. The closure of Sweetie Pie's upper crust in 2022 came right after Tim was convicted of orchestrating the tragic crime involving his own nephew, Andre Montgomery, because we say his name around here, by the way. When asked about it, Miss Robbie said, and I quote, "I'm not the only mother with a son in prison or who has been in trouble that had nothing to do with it." True, but let's just say the situation is uniquely complicated, and I'll leave it at that. For now, one thing is clear to some. Miss Robbie has a passion for her community, and others would say that she's committed to rebuilding the area. Because in that interview, she added that this is where she's from, and that she's not scared to be in the hood. And all I can say is, that's a bold statement. So, will Robbie Montgomery ever see that $1.5 million grant? Or will the powers that be, who are holding it back, they're doing so because they know it might end up funding something unrelated? I'm looking at you, Tim. Also, can we talk about how a millionaire even qualifies for a grant in the first place? I have questions, y'all. What do you think? Will Miss Robbie get her check and pull off this $7 million heist? Comeback. Or is this just another chapter in the Sweetie Pie's saga? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear them. And hey, while you're here, don't forget to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you will never miss the latest updates on Miss Robbie, Sweetie Pies, and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned and take care.